Hey guys, and welcome back to Aussie Action 4x4, and in today's episode we are going to be pulling out the old head unit from Jonah's patrol and slapping in a brand new 10.1 inch Bluetooth, anything you can think of, name it, it's in there. Now, let's dive right in. Alright, switching over to the minicam, it's time to rip this bad boy off.
Okay.
Nice and easy, more or less.
Alright, so when you do pull the fascia off these Series 4 patrols, you just want to watch out for these plugs. Make sure you don't pull the wiring out. We don't really need to touch them for this install because we have easy access to the bolts we need.
If you don't have one of these tools, you can obviously just use a Phillips head screwdriver, but this just makes work a little bit easier and quicker.
What you want to do is grab both sides, one with each hand. Ignore things falling around the place. Alright, so what you want to do once you got those 4 bolts undone, put your hands on either side of it, grab really firm and pull it as hard as you can. You want to rip all those suckers out of the back.
Did it actually move? So, now that we have access to the back, start unconnecting the 2 connectors. 1, 2.
Why is that an exhaust pipe?
I don't know.
Alright, oh, he's done dodgy.
Oh.
So that's the factory harness, but he's attached all the wires by the looks of it into the necessary plugs. So it should be right. What have you got in the box? Can we actually have a look at what you have?
Yeah. Do we want to dive into that? Do we just want to dive into that then? Wait, no. How about we go to the back and we pull it all apart?
Just wait for Max to get up there.
Before we get to installation, let's go through what's in this box and what the head unit is. It is an ATOTO S8 Pro Gen 2, 3 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. It is an Android Auto Apple CarPlay head unit. So now, let's dive right in and see what goodies are in this box. So, in the box, we have another box. Let's check this out. So, in the box, we have a bunch of connectors. No idea which one's for the car. A ton of USB ports. A lav mic. GPS antenna. 4G antenna. Wireless antenna. Front camera. Brackets for installation, it appears. Screws. A couple of facades. A screen protector. And then, what's this? Manual. Useless. Damn, this head unit is pretty sweet.
Damn, that is pretty sweet.
As you can tell, it's pretty fancy on the back. Got a bunch of connectors, amp, front end, all of that good stuff. 10.1 inch OLED display. Great for no glare in the sun. Let's dive right into the installation. Okay, we've had a look. Looks like it's gonna be fairly straightforward. We want to connect these 2 connections straight in to this harness, which plugs straight into the back of the head unit. Fairly straightforward, wouldn't you think? Hope so.
Wait,
done.
Are we done?
Yeah. That's done. Done.
What's all this? That's like parking brake, don't need that.
Why do you need
steering
parking
wheel,
brakes?
don't need that. Steering wheel controls, don't need that. Rear camera, don't need that. Steering wheel, don't need that. Power antenna, don't need that. Steering wheel, don't need that. All these plugs you don't need.
Are we not putting the rear camera in today?
Oh, not today. I haven't even got it yet.
Oh, right.
Okay. What should we do now?
Do a test unit. So plug it in and see if it turns on. Oh, it didn't power on.
Do we switch Everything to...
Alright, flick accessories on.
Do we get some water in case something goes on fire?
Nah, it should be right. Oh, there's a power button down the bottom as well, actually.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't turn on.
You pulled out the plug. Is that the power plug?
Exhaust pipe. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's your antenna.
I doubt it would need the antenna.
Wait, is it?
Yes, that's my antenna. It's in the front left. Right here.
It doesn't look the same, does it? Oh, yeah, it does.
It's emissions off. Do I turn it on? Oh, not turn it on, but turn accessories on?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be the accessories.
So it didn't need the antenna.
No.
Oh, that was quick power on. What the heck?
Sorry?
No.
What?
Bass boost?
Bass boost?
Oh, all the way. All the
Up to
way.
11, let's go.
12. Whee!
Why don't they just go to 10?
Oh, you have that. I mean, there's a reset button.
Oh, you can choose, like, you chuck it into
We're all co-pilot, driver.
Oh, this is America.
America! Okay, well, do we want to get it installed and do all this later?
Yeah, my finger's going cross.
Okay. So, now that we've done the test period and all that, and we've plugged in a bunch of cables, we got the GPS antenna, the USB 2 for wired, Android Auto, CarPlay, and a whole host of things, storage, and all that. USB 1, which is meant for video playback. Don't know why you wouldn't need that. Then we have our Wi-Fi antenna, our 4G antenna, and the front camera, which will be installed at a later date. Time to plug it in, put all the screws back in, and give it a test. Can you grab that?
So you're just running all the wires into the glove box now?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Just pull it through until there. Wiring them into the glove box for now, before we find a final spot for them in the future. Okay, second one.
What's this?
Okay, I think.
Alright, that's pretty good.
What's this for?
GPS. It's coming. Bro, the GPS is so long.
Because it needs to go onto your roof.
Okay, I think that'll be good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay, time to put all this in.
Yeah, put all the wiring in first.
That would probably help.
Like,
'cause then you
literally-
Oh wait, plug it in first.
can-
Once Max realizes what the hard part is, he's gonna be like,
Do we have to put those things behind?
no,
Oh, okay.
that's not the problem.
I didn't know.
Getting it to line up with his fascia.
Just screw her in and she'll be right.
Well, no, they didn't line up.
Yeah, perfectly.
The top one doesn't.
Should we have used the...
Because what the heck
Old
is that
bracket.
thing?
That's sort of like a line-up boy.
But
It lined up the other one.
Should we go get the old bracket?
Yeah, can you quickly run in and get the old one?
Yeah, because I wonder if we can just reuse those holes. You can be screw boy.
Screw you.
Yo, that lines up perfect.
I'm pretty sure mine only came.
Oh damn, that's good. Just leave it like that, I reckon. Cause we're like, what the heck, dude?
Voila!
We're sort of lucky that we didn't use the other brackets. Because otherwise we'd been sitting in so far.
Yeah.
Because if you just slide this boy on and then slide that on over the top.
Should we install it the right way up before we plug everything in? Kidding.
Yeah. So now what?
Put screen back on.
Oh, you need screws, right?
Yo, it looks like you have an old school radio.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, I like how this one has all the tactile buttons down there.
I love. That's one of the reasons why I liked it. I liked it.
Like on the one in the highlights, it's kind of tactile-ish, but not so much.
Okay, that's in. Do we want to test it?
Yeah. Accessory, flicker to accessories, and she should be good, unless the battery's right now.
Oh, fine, grab that. Okay.
Yo, it's on. It's coming. Wait, it's on. Oh, it's on.
ATOTO.
It's like cocoa melon.
Mhm.
Google. Yeah, that looks so clean.
I think it's because we took all the power out, which means that it's like the soundbite goes out.
The first time it started, it is this.
Yeah, it took a while. Cool.
Damn.
I might actually tilt it up a little bit.
Well, yeah, because it's got a setting
I
that's
know,
further up.
that's what it's got.
What is it gonna play?
No fucking knows. Alright guys, so after this lengthy install, we finally got it running smick as. It runs quite smoothly. Got your Android Auto, got your YouTube. Remember guys, you gotta subscribe and hit the bell icon. Not only that, it's got Chrome. Oh wait, no, you don't see that. Well guys, thanks for watching. Aussie Action.